Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I'm coming on with another kscraft August 2025, their Christmas release. And this one is the Snowflake Doily. So, here's what it looks like when you cut it out and mat it, okay? So that's what it looks like when you cut it out and mat it. Okay. When I saw this, I'm like, that's a bag topper. And that's what I went with. So they're a little frilly. Here's the first bag topper, using the big one. Okay. And that's the back of it. And I used, let me see, this is a paper from Michael's from last year, or maybe the year before. It's Gala. And I thought that was a good choice to use for the snowflakes. It's definitely from 2024. Okay. And so all I did, this is the big one, obviously. All I did was, I got my scoreboard, and you can't really, on this you can't, I'm going to show you how you do it, because you really can't figure out how to fold it in half, really. But you see these two little points? Let me show you real close up. These two little points, there's a point there and a point there. That's the middle. So all you want to do is line those up on one of the lines, top and bottom, and then you know it's even, and you can just score it like that, hopefully. I may not have done that right. Yeah, but that's how I did it in the middle, is I made sure that they were lined up both on the same line, and then you were able to fold it, and it is in the middle. Now, I used thick paper, so it made it hard to glue it to the bag, so all I did, I used this bag, which I have no clue what size it is, but I stapled it in the middle. So on this one, the small one, I stapled it in the middle, and you can tell that I used one of those from the previous video. I used one of the winter flower images to put on there to cover that staple up. And this bag is a 3x4. Okay. If I have a link, I will put it in the description. But I used all the flowers that I made from the winter flower on the previous video for today. You can see that. Anyway, I'm doing a kscraft series, Christmas die cuts. But anyway, this would be awesome for, you could put a tea bag in there, you could do whatever you want. You could do it for this for a craft fair, you can do it for a swap, whatever you want. But I saw this image and I'm like, that's a topper. For sure, that's a topper. Even on the, and also on the small one, you do the same thing. Put it in your scoreboard and line up that one and that one, and you should get it in the middle, just like I did with the big one. Okay, but aren't they adorable? Don't you see topper in this doily? I mean, definitely a bag topper. Okay, I wanted to share that with you so you could see what you could make with that doily. That's just one of the things, and you could really make it shabby chic and dress it up, and I mean, that to me looks shabby chic. This too, but I need to cover up that staple with something, and I'll find something. I'm not sure what I'm going to do right now, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these, but I need red flowers. I don't have any red flowers. I just have those, and I just don't think they're going to match. I think the little pink ones would, those lighter pink, but I don't have a lot left because I've been using them. But anyway, just wanted to show you that. And let me know what you think. I do not have a giveaway on this die. I don't think so. Let me make sure. Nope, no giveaway on this die, but make sure that you go back and look at the previous kscraft video, Christmas video, because I am giving away the flower die. Okay? All right. Comment below, what would you use these for? What would you use the doily for? Would you use it as a bag topper, or what would you use it? This would be real cute with a rosette on it as well. The foundation for a smaller rosette. I might get to that, but I just saw bag topper for these, definitely. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.